All right. So this comment says, go through your employer. Too many scammers on this platform. I don't know who page this is, but I'm about to eat y'all up. I'm sorry. Okay. So couple different things. Do I think that there are people on the social media platform that are taking advantage of people? Yes, there are. I think in general, there are people in all types of industries that take advantage of people. I think social media is a platform that got a lot of information out to people that probably would have never known anything about what we speak about. But now let me educate you about group life insurance versus individual life insurance, or job life insurance versus getting it outside of your job. So how job life insurance works is you're able to get a lot of people life insurance for pennies on the dollar. You don't have to qualify for it. It's probably the cheapest form of life insurance that you'll find. Sounds awesome, right? You actually don't own that life insurance policy. Most of the times, if life insurance is being offered through the job, which by the way, only 50% of companies do this, 9 times out of 10, when you leave your job or your job leaves you, so does your life insurance policy. Well, I can take my policy with me. Yeah, sometimes you can, except the only option that you really have to convert is Cobra life insurance, and it's extremely expensive because now you're converting a group life insurance policy to an individual life insurance policy. The other big thing is that group life insurance, you don't have what we call living benefits. Do you know of anyone that maybe might have had a heart attack or a stroke or a cancer, maybe got in a bad accident before? Did you know that there are only 23 companies that will write you a check, God forbid you experience those things? And I'm not saying like, oh, it's like a health insurance policy like Aflac. Not talking about that. You get like 25,000 with that. I'm talking about potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars. One of our own agents, because we believe in our products, unfortunately had a stroke. Thankfully survived. He was only 38 years young at the time. One of our partner companies direct deposited to his bank account a check for $200,000, all because he got sick. My friend, you are not getting that through your employer. So I say all that to say nothing wrong with you getting life insurance through the job, but you definitely want something outside of it, because let's be real, that job can fire you at any point in time. A couple stories I'll share with you. What I personally experienced being a licensed professional agent in the life insurance industry. I'm also assuming that this person knows nothing about my page, and that's okay. I don't take it personal. I simply leave with education. So when I first got into the industry, I've been in the industry for the last 5.5 years. And one of my agents had sat down with this gentleman. We did a whole assessment, educated him about life insurance outside of his job. And he's like, you know what? I got life insurance through my job. I'm good. We said, brother, man, if you lose your job, the job leaves you. So your life insurance policy. He didn't plan on losing his job. So he's like, I'm good. Mind you, I got into the life insurance industry right when COVID started. So a year goes by, his sister finds the paperwork. And so she calls a number and she says, hey, I found this paperwork. I was trying to see if my brother got any life insurance because he unexpectedly passed away. We sent our condolences to her and we said, no, he mentioned he had it through his job and, he didn't want to get any life insurance to us. She says, well, unfortunately, a couple months before my brother passed away, he lost his job. And so now his sister is literally calling around, trying to figure out if she can properly bury her brother. Another one, very personal to me, one of my own cousins did life right, retired at 50 years young. She was 55 at the time. I'm like, hey, let me give you a free overview. She's like, I got life insurance. I'm good. I'm like, let me give you a free overview because you'd be amazed what I've seen in this industry. So I do an overview. Mind you, her job switched life insurance companies 3 different times. Finally find the policy. The policy at the time was $72,000 of coverage. It said when she turned 60 years old, which was only 5 years from that time, her permanent life insurance policy from her job would go from $72,000 to only $5,000 of coverage. So this is the reason why you want to find a licensed professional agent that's actually going to be on your side. Do I think that there are people on this app that take advantage of people 1,000%? You guys, you probably haven't seen me in quite some time because I've literally spent a lot of time trying to fix what this person is talking about. And so if you don't do anything for the person who comments it, please go ahead, hit that follow, watch some content that I have. You guys comment below your thoughts. And hey, if you're looking for a free consultation, hit the link in the bio. Let's go. Sheesh.